I will start the bubble chart today, and this bubble chart, bubble chart. So basically, bubble chart is not a new thing. A bubble chart, is like a scatter chart. A scatter chart with an additional third column to specify the bubbles, size of the bubbles. Okay, it shows
Yes, sir.
to represent the data points in the data series. So can I need to explain it once more, because I already explained the scatter chart to you. And what was the scatter chart? The scatter chart basically compare the data in the data series, different data series, and basically it was the XY coordinate. It was the point. So bubble chart is also like the same thing, but the differences is it is having the additional third column to specify the size of the bubble. Is it clear to you?
Yes, sir.
If I just take the data, go to insert, and where is bubble? This one. Go to this one, make the chart. You can see here, just see here. These all represent the data. There are two series, series 1 and series 2. Okay? Okay? Is it
Yes,
okay?
sir.
If I delete this one, again let me show you. Basically, it is used to compare the data in between data series, and this is radar. This is bubble chart. Just watch here. This one, this one. This represent the data, but in the scatter chart there was the dot, but here there is bubble. Is it clear right now? There is not a big difference between those, scatter and bubble. Can I move ahead? Can I move ahead?
Yes.
Okay. So students, next one is stock chart. What are? What I'm going to explain? Can you tell me? Stock chart. What are? Stock chart. Okay. Basically, if I talk about the the exchange market, in the exchange market, you have listened. You listen that this market is fluctuating. This is the highest fluctuation point. This is the lowest fluctuation point, and our this day goes to this point. This day goes to this point. Have you listened this in the news? That is when the news coming about the stock exchange. Have you listened any time? Have you listened?
What, sir?
What I said, have you listened any time when in the news? High low, no, high low values of variables. Let me write here in a data set. Basically, in the exchange share market, you know, share market. Have you ever heard about the share market? Have you ever heard? Can you listen me? Am I audible?
No.
No, you didn't. You haven't listened the share market.
Yes.
share market, beta, in the share market, the people invest their money, and this money is dependent on the fluctuation of the market. If the market fluctuated at high peak, on the market is on peak, then you will get a good return. Suppose if the market in highs and you have invested 5,000 in the share market, so you can get 20,000, 25,000 in a 1 year, 1 or 2 year. So it will depend on the market. Okay?
Sir,
Yes?
then what is the profit of the market?
Basically, there are different companies like FCL, like bank, ICICI Bank, and many banks are there, many Reliance companies are there. So you invest your money in any companies. If the companies, the profit will be increased in that particular area, then your money will be doubled, tripled. Is it clear? But the condition, there are some condition. If the profit is there in the company, the company will get in the loss, then your money will also be in the loss. That means you get the less, you can get the less amount when how much you have invested. This is also the drawback of the market. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So by the stock chart, we can understand what are the fluctuation of the stock. Is it clear? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. So there are four terms. Four terms are used for making the stock. First one is data. Sorry, data not date. Next one is your value. How much money, that means the market money you have invested. Next one is opening. Opening means how, suppose you heard about the auctions. That auction will start from 2,000. That auction will start from 3,000. This is just like opening. Okay. Okay. High price.
Yes, sir.
Next one is low price. Low price, and third one is closing. So that means closing. So opening, that means in which amount this is opened, at which amount it is closed, and what was the highest price and what was the lowest price. Are you getting what I am saying? Are you getting what I am saying?
Yes.
Okay. So that means your money is fluctuated at which rate? That means what was the peak point of your money? That was called high price. What was the lowest price of your money? That is low price. And when it will close, that means what was the at the end time when this close was there, what was the amount for closing? That was closing time. And this is opening. That means starting of the stock. Is it clear? So suppose if I made one chart and just see, watch here. Let me delete this one. This I should delete because there was a very bad network today, and that's why the network, the Geo, sorry, that was not connecting. Let me draw over here. Date. Next one is high price, HIGH, high price. Next one is low price. And there are four types of chart, stock chart, but this is not in your syllabus. That's why I'm not telling you. That four charts are high, low, close stock chart. Second one is open, high, low, close stock chart. Third one is volume, high, low, close stock chart. And next one is volume, open, high, low, close stock chart. So these are the type of chart, four types of chart. Is it clear to you? Friends, just watch this data. I made a table, and that table is having the data like the columns like date, their high price, their low price, and the closing balance. So students, as you can see here, this one. So this one is the low price. This is between 20 to 25, and on date 24th of October 19. Just see here, low price is this 23, and the high price is this one, and the closing, that means high price this one, that is 25 to 30. This is 27, and the low price is this one. Okay, so so basically, let me show again. Let me just keep your data. High price, low price, and this one is represented closing. So this is the closing. This one is the closing data. So closing data is 26. You just see here 23 and 27 on date of 26. So this is closing balance. Next one is, this is on 27, on date of 27. This is 29. You can watch here. So these basically represent the closing data. So students, high price, low price, and closing data, we can make the columns and the date over here. By this chart we can easily monitor this, on which date our price was, that means the high price was on the market, and what was the low price, and what was the closing balance by this one. So I think this thing I want to share you, this chart, creating the chart of your chapter is clear, and tomorrow I will start a new thing, that is creating a chart in Excel. So how you can create a chart in Excel, I will discuss it on tomorrow. So do not worry students, I will do everything for you, and you must complete your copies also. Thank you.